Referencing your drawings, locate rafters and apex brackets. Install apex bracket on the peak side of one rafter in each frame line. Ensure that the rafter is oriented correctly.
Lifting haunch side of rafter. Attach rafter to haunch bracket with one bolt in the lower outermost hole.
This will leave the peak end resting on the concrete. Follow these same steps on the other rafter in this frame line. With each rafter now secured at the haunch with one bolt, raise both peak ends of rafters up and fully connect them to the apex bracket. Install the remaining bolts in the haunch bracket connection. Bolt knee and apex braces into place. It's important to not leave frame lines unbraced. These can be secured with chains, straps, or roof purlin. Note, for double frame buildings, refer to the drawings for brace and bracket details. While this installation procedure is what is shown, some buildings may require rafters, apex brackets, and apex braces to be built on the ground and be lifted into place.